Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make chicken and rice. This is like the Cuban style of making chicken and rice. We're gonna start with chicken. I bought the thigh with bones and skin. Just the thigh because that's the part that we like. But it has the bone and the skin. Very important because to me that's what gives the chicken and rice the flavor. But at the same time, we're gonna put one chicken broth, a chicken broth cube. We're gonna put it in the water. So I'm gonna start by making a sofrito, which is a seasoning, which we're gonna cook first. And the rice, you can use any type of rice. If you have the jasmine rice, you can use the jasmine rice. But this is just regular rice. So let's start by making the sofrito. Okay, for the sofrito, we're gonna use one onion. We're gonna use approximately, these are really small garlic cloves. Let's say 3 garlic cloves. Three or 4 garlic cloves. Also gonna put some celery, maybe like about 1 stick of celery in there. And I wish I had the green bell peppers, but what I'm going to use is a red, and I'm going to put a few of the orange. So let me cut all this up and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, so I put the onion, 1 onion, 1 stick of celery, the peppers, red peppers, and a little bit of the orange pepper, and 3 cloves of garlic. 3 cloves of garlic. 3 cloves of garlic, and a drizzle of vegetable oil. The peppers, I buy them when they're on sale, and then I cut them up, take out the seed, and I freeze them. I freeze them like that in little baggies. I freeze them in little baggies like this. So whenever I need peppers, I always have. But I did not have any of the green one. So there it is. It's going on now. We're going to saute everything well here. Okay, we're going to also add cumin. And we're gonna add a little bit of cumin, not too much. Mix. I didn't put too much oil because the chicken, it has the fat and that's part of the oil, and that's going to be too much oil. So saute this a little bit. I'm also going to put a small amount of complete seasoning, maybe a teaspoon. Okay, that should be good. I'm going to lower that heat for a few minutes because now I'm going to cut the chicken and put it in there. Okay, so I'm washing the chicken and putting them in here. Just rinsing them off. I have, okay, since I'm gonna put four chicken thighs. Okay, and now I'm gonna add water, just enough to cover it. Two of these big cups. Okay, now I added 2 of these cups of water, and it makes 2.5 cups of water. And I'm gonna go ahead and wash the rice. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the 2 cups of rice. I already washed the rice, so we're gonna put that in here. I lowered the heat to medium for now. Okay, I'm gonna add the chicken bouillon, the cube of chicken bouillon. I'm gonna add it in here to add even more chicken flavor. Okay, so now we added the rice and everything, almost everything. Now we're gonna put the heat back to high, and we're gonna add 2 envelopes of sazon Goya with azafran, which is Goya seasoning with saffron. We're gonna add two of those, and this is the box that they come in. Okay, this will give it flavor and also color to the rice. It gives it a really nice orangey color. And 1 can of tomato sauce. It's a small can, it's 8 ounces. I don't think we're going to use it all. I'm just going to use a little bit of it. Maybe like half a can. Okay, yeah, half a can. And let's mix it all, and we still have to put salt. Welcome to my video.
Oh, hello. Smells really good.
We came here to ask you for something.
We got visitors.
Hello.
Oh.
We got visitor, my son and my daughter, Julie and Sergio.
Smells really good in here.
What are you guys looking for?
Turmeric.
Tomillo, de allá afuera. Okay, good. Okay, so I got some cilantro, the long leaf cilantro, and I think this is a lot, but I'm just gonna put one of them in there. I'm gonna chop it up and just put it in there. Okay, I'm gonna throw that leaf in there, and we're going to stir it, and we're going to lower the heat to maybe medium and cover it out a little bit. And now we're gonna just let it cook there. Okay, so let's see this here. Okay, it looks really good, really good. Let's move it around for a little bit. We're gonna let it cook a little bit more. Okay. We don't want it to stick to the bottom, but we're gonna cook it a little bit more in low heat. Low heat here. And I think now we're gonna add some peas. I like to add some peas. So, and this is, what is it? 15-ounce can, but I'm not gonna add the whole thing. Okay, about half a can. This gives it color and a taste, a little bit more taste. And another thing we're gonna do, this is the best part. Now, the best part, we're gonna add a beer. Any brand, any kind, but a beer. A whole entire beer we're gonna add in there. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, that should be good. And I'm gonna go ahead and cover it. Cover it just almost the entire way. Just leave a little bit of a notch there. Okay, so I'm gonna raise the heat to medium. And I'm gonna stir it a little bit. Wow, it's windy out there. I'm gonna stir this baby up. Gotta make sure the rice is already cooked, but we have to make sure that the chicken cooks thoroughly. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I'm gonna put the sugar. Okay, now I'm gonna put the salt. Put the salt and stir it again. Let's let it continue cooking there so the chicken gets completely cooked. Okay, I'm gonna uncover and this baby is ready. It's supposed to be like this. It's called Arroz con Pollo a la Chorrera, which means soupy chicken and rice. We usually serve this either with fried plantains, either the green ones or the sweet plantains, with either one of them. It's like the ritual of the Arroz con Pollo, either with the green plantains or the sweet ripe plantain, one of the two. So today we're going to eat it with the ripe ones. So this is it for my video. Please like and subscribe and watch my other video, and please stay safe and may God bless you all. Goodbye. Okay, so I decorated it with some sliced pimentos. I decorated it on the top. You can buy the whole pimentos and cut them up and just put them over it, but that is it. It is a very easy recipe, something easy to make and delicious, and the beer gives it an incredible taste. I hope you try it. Okay, till the next time. Goodbye.